My hair is getting crazy. Good morning. Today is, I don't even know anymore. Today is April 16th, Thursday, 2020. And this is our 32nd day of home quarantine lockdown here in Manila. Yeah, I'm just gonna take you through what our day kind of looks like right now. Usually the morning is when I'm the most productive, so I'm gonna do a little bit of editing right now, and I'll film a little bit again later. Taking a little break here from editing because my fiance just woke up. Say hello.
Hello.
I'm currently on lockdown with my parents, and so far it's okay. Sometimes you get on each other's nerves, but most of the time it's a lot of fun.
Corner, 1 and 2, out together, up for 2, back for 2, double.
Woo! What a good exercise. I feel like I really can't complain that much about our situation here. I mean, we have such a nice place to live here. We can do laundry here. We have enough food. Yeah, it's fortunate to be able to not really worry about anything right now compared to the situations that maybe a lot of other people are in. So I'm very grateful for the things that we have. Set the timer for 55 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 55 minutes.
I live in Quezon City, Philippines, which is in Metro Manila, and the entire region of Luzon, which is the northern part of the Philippines, is in a strict, enhanced home quarantine right now. So no one in this region is supposed to be going outside their houses, and only one designated person per household can go outside to do groceries. And they have to have a quarantine pass. So it's a very strict home quarantine right now. I haven't been outside our gate in almost a month. So I've literally been inside the house for a month now. I can't wait to travel again afterwards, but honestly, I'm not complaining so much. It's felt very restful for me at home here. Most of the time I feel very unproductive when I watch movies or Netflix and stuff. But during this time, I've actually enjoyed being able to sit down, just watch movies, TV series and stuff. I've learned it's really important to take rest sometimes. It's a pretty crazy situation. Let me know what you guys are thinking and feeling about it. What do you think of my little setup here? Like a double softened light up here. Yeah, bro. Home quarantine 101. I call this my Netflix chill location. So I lay down here, pull it up to my computer, and I can watch Netflix and stuff on there. Usually me and Henna will use Netflix Party. So what Netflix Party does is you can sync up Netflix and watch together. So me and Henna will watch Netflix together. I'll be here, she's at her house, and we'll watch Netflix together. So that's fun sometimes. That's where I end up sleeping at night too. I ditched my bed and I just have my clean laundry here on the bed. Got too lazy to fold it because I'm not traveling anywhere, because I usually fold and roll up all my clothes because I'm traveling a ton. So I usually just have it ready to pack, but now I just have it there. This is my workstation. I am working on an editing project right now for a client, so I should probably do that later. Yeah, do all my editing here. My trusty computer that needs to be replaced soon. I'm thinking about maybe getting an iPad Pro, but I also do need to get a new laptop this year. Thinking about the 16-inch MacBook Pro. I am planning to do another trombone video soon. Anyways, that's my room tour. Room tour 101. Super messy, but I got a place in the corner there for filming. It's actually a really big room. Room tour. All of my days have been lost inside this room. This is my world. This is now my world. This is where I live. This is my whole life. Amen. Kevin. I just posted a video about switching to Final Cut Pro. I totally quit Premiere 3 years ago, but I finally ended the subscription yesterday. Final Cut is just the way to go. Final Cut or DaVinci Resolve if you don't have Mac. Like, look how fast it scrubs. My computer is 6 years old and 4K, it can handle 4K like no problem. Oh, this is 4K DJI footage. You can scrub through footage so much faster, it's so smooth, and I don't know, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about the Premiere, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve? Basically it's like Adobe versus the rest. Anyways, I'm gonna be editing for a bit now. Haven't finished editing yet, but I just got word that it's dinner time. All the time lapses I shot today, I was using my iPhone 11 and the Moment app. And it's so nice, actually. The quality of the time lapses are so nice because it actually takes still images and then stitches it into a video. And then you can add a motion blur effect to it. So I think they look pretty nice. What do you think? Okay, I'm gonna get back to editing now for a bit and then gonna video chat with Henna and some others. Maybe we're gonna use House Party to video chat. It's an app where you can video chat and then play games with each other. So we do sometimes. So that's a little day in the life right now. Hopefully I can film some more videos while I'm here in home quarantine. Let me know what you think.
Bye, vlog.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna pretend to turn off the light.